Hebei Guangxing Machinery Technology Co., Ltd. This is an excellent manufacturer of EPS equipment, PU, Rockwool insulation board machine, and other related machinery. We have excellent after-sales staff to solve your worries. At present, it has 2 machine production bases and 1 EPS raw material production base. We have professional production machines and excellent production staff. Our main products are pre-expanded machine, EPS foam block manufacturing machine, EPS styrofoam shape molding making machine, PU sandwich panel machine production line. There are also many machines with related products exported to many countries around the world and won high praise. The company has more than 50 patents. We are an excellent manufacturer of EPS equipment and other related machinery.